windy day.
The Pinky Ponk.
I like sailing on a sunny day so much.
Sunny sailing day.
Ahoy, melon pie.
Whee!
Sure is windy.
Ooga ooga, my hat.
Oh, I see it. Oh, now I don't see it. Wait, I see it. There it is, Sonia.
I'll get it. Huh? The wind took it again.
I'll catch it. Huh?
Ugo, your boat. Come back, Ugo's boat.
Come back, Sonia's hat.
Oh. Come back. Oh. Yippee! Ugo, my hat is back.
And I got my boat too.
Yay! Sailing day again.
Maybe this boat is too light, Sonia. I think that's why the wind blows it away. How about we make a stronger boat?
Yes, a bigger boat.
We'll make it bigger and stronger.
And shiny with loads of glitter. Whoa, very shiny. Glitter. More glitter. Ta-da!
I think our new boat is ready to sail.
Yay!
Oh no!
Come back, bigger boat. Pretty, please.
I see it. I don't see it. I see it. I don't see it. I see it.
See what?
Hi, Uncle.
Dad.
It's our boat. The wind blew it all the way up there.
Like this, Dad.
And this.
What about this?
Aww.
What do you say we go up there and search for it?
Yes.
Thanks, Uncle.
To the laundry area, crew.
Yay! Do you see it, Dad? Do you? There! Look!
Oh, I see it. Ugh. I can't quite see your boat now. I can't quite see anything.
Ta-da!
Thank you, Mum.
You're welcome, Bloomy Pants.
Louie fan.
Auntie, we're trying to catch our boat.
That big and shiny paper boat.
Yes!
There it is! There it is!
There it is, Sonia. reach it. You got it. Thank you, Mel.
Woohoo!
Yes! Go, Mel!
Mel!
Oh no!
Oh, hello, big boat.
Granny!
You caught our boat.
Thank you, Granny.
Happy to help.
Too much wind, too much wind.
It sure is windy today. It makes everything topsy-turvy.
Topsy-turvy.
It's blowing away our boats, Granny.
And your bloomers, Ma.
Oh, they're already dry. I wonder how they dried so quickly.
I know. The wind did it.
Yes, it did. The wind helps dry our clothes. Do you know what else the wind helps with? How does a sailing boat move?
The wind makes the sails move, which makes the boat move.
Exactly. There are so many ways to make the most of a windy day.
I think I know how we can make the most of the wind, Sonia.
The clothes pegs. Windy sailing day.
I feel good. I feel love. I feel love. I feel love. I feel love. I feel good. I feel good. I feel love. I feel love. I feel love. I feel love. I feel love.
Glitter.